what do I need to know about my tax liabilities if I'm buying a gîte or renting my property in France?
Any rental of your French property, whether it's rental to holidaymakers, whether you've entered into a leaseback scheme, whether you've got a long-term tenant in a property, will always mean that there will be a potential liability to French income tax. You will have to declare the revenue in France. That will be the case whether you are a permanent resident in France or whether you are a UK national and subject to declaring your income to HMRC in the UK. If you are a UK tax resident, you will therefore be declaring the tax or declaring the income both in France and then in the UK. You should be entitled to offset most, if not all, of the tax paid against your UK income tax under the double tax treaty. Again, need to be very careful about ensuring that in the first instance that you declare it in France. We've seen any number of instances where people have thought they were perfectly fine because they were declaring their income in the UK but not declared it in France. They can then have tax inspections in France that will then generate penalties and back tax obligations. Overall, in all of that, there is every interest in ensuring that if you are going to be renting out your property in France in any form, that you should be speaking to good French accountants who will be able to talk to you about how best to structure your income tax affairs, and then talk to accountants in the UK for your UK tax return too.